So, Peter, can you tell us about the inspiration behind the Asha 501?
Mobile phones are changing the way people connect, do business, and gather information all over the world. Take the internet. Soon, more people will access it on a mobile than any other device. And Nokia is at the forefront of that change. For example, with the feature phone, the Nokia 301, and then also with the simpler first phone, the Nokia 105. We're delivering a level of innovation and quality, but yet making this accessible even to the billions that don't yet have a mobile phone. We know that technology is changing the way people are living their lives, and we think about this in the studio every day. And the Asha 501 is really about making the things that you do every day so much better and so much easier, and delivering it in a smooth, soft human package. And there's a physical and digital harmony at the heart of this phone. And we know that what you remove is more important than what you put in. And we've gone beyond conventional product making in how we've simplified that assembly. It's only two parts. We've got a seamless removable monobody, and we have a single display assembly with access to your battery, SIM, and your micro SD card. And it allows you to pop these two housings together in a single durable package with up to 48 days of standby time. And we've been inspired by the Lumia range of colors. And when you see this together, you see a consistent, integrated brand identity across the whole Nokia portfolio. So let's deep dive into the experience. First thing you see is a clock. It's a glanceable design that you can see on the table without fumbling for your phone. And I can double tap to wake, and I can swipe either to go home, or I can even swipe to unlock direct to a notification. Now, if I swipe that notification away, I go back home. You're using these large, easy gestures. Here are my two home screens. I've got home, and I've got Fastlane. Fastlane shows me my present, the applications I just used, my past, and then if I pull down, you can see your future. And we've also given you the ability with one click to get direct to social. So here I can say hello, and then for example, if I want to switch to another language, I drag the space bar to the right, and now I have French. Switching to the right, now I have English. And you can see we have direct candidate selections right on top of the keyboard. If I want to go back, I can either swipe or I can hit this button at the bottom. That's historical back, it takes me right back home. Now if I swipe down from the top, you'll see I have access of two SIMs. This is the best, most immediate SIM switching solution. It's direct and it's visual, and you can go right back and forth between your two SIM cards in order to optimize your tariffs. Swipe back up, and that goes away. Now let's take a look at some of the details. We've made mobile browsing faster, more affordable, and more personal with the Nokia Express browser. I select Internet, it takes me to the web page, and note we've also created a toolbar at the bottom that doesn't take the space away from the content you're seeing. So it actually makes the screen bigger. And I can go back to my start page, and here it shows me different categories such as things that are featured. I can go to entertainment, I can go to applications, news, and different categories. Now I'm going to go ahead and swipe away, and let's take another example of one other detail. Now let's say you want to share an image. I'll go to my gallery, select an image, I can hit share, and slam via Bluetooth. Now when I take another phone, right next to it, it immediately finds that phone and shares that image. Yes, there it is. Now I've got both images, and you see it shows up directly on Fastlane. This is attention to detail, and the Asha 501 is really about color, purity, and craft that we're making accessible to people all over the world.